For the hard surfaces in your home, you need a one-step cleaning device that delivers a better clean. The Bissell Crosswave lets you vacuum and wash your floors at the same time, delivering a deeper, everyday clean in less time. Crosswave washes your floors using a revolutionary cleaning solution, leaving your floors smelling fresh and looking clean. Crosswave's dual-action multi-surface brush roll uses microfiber to mop floors, while nylon bristles scrub and pick up debris. The Smart Clean fingertip controls lets you dispense just the right amount of formula for whichever floor you're cleaning. The two-tank technology lets you consistently clean with fresh solution while recovering dirty water and debris from your floors. Once finished, just pour out the dirty tank contents for quick cleanup. A convenient way to clean the product is using the Easy Clean storage tray, which allows you to clean the brush roll, window, and air path in a few simple steps. And for easy maintenance, the Crosswave includes an easy remove brush window and a removable brush roll for convenient cleaning. Ditch the mop and bucket. Vacuum and wash your hard floors at the same time with Crosswave from Bissell.
Hosting a party is a great reason to take care of those rug and upholstery stains on your to-do list. Skip the rags, blotting, and scrubbing. The Bissell Spot Clean Pro packs the power of a professional-style, full-size carpet and upholstery cleaning machine into an efficient, portable unit. Manual scrubbing can push a stain deeper and actually spread the stain. But Spot Clean Pro uses water, formula, and suction to loosen and remove stubborn stains. A flexible hose with snap-on tools makes it easy to deep clean small areas that are hard to reach with an upright machine. Spot clean area rugs and cushions with a 3-inch tough stain tool. And zip through stair stains with a 6-inch cleaning tool. The large capacity tanks can be removed together for fewer trips to the sink. They're designed with flat bottoms so they can be easily filled and emptied. Freshen up seat cushions, car interiors, area rugs, and more with Bissell's 2X Professional Deep Cleaning Formula with built-in Scotchgard protector. It works with the penetrating spray and superior suction power of the Spot Clean Pro to extract old stains and new spills from heavily used fabrics and rugs. The Spot Clean Pro is the most powerful, portable spot cleaner offered by Bissell. And it comes with Bissell's best-in-class 2-year warranty. The Bissell Spot Clean Pro, professional style power in the palm of your hand.
Ready to start cleaning? Great! Let's begin. First, lift and remove the clean water tank, then loosen the tank measuring lid and remove. Fill the tank with hot tap water to the water fill line. Fill the measuring cup in the lid with Rug Doctor cleaning solution, then pour into the water tank and replace the tank. You're ready to go. Roll the deep carpet cleaner to your starting point and adjust the handle for comfort. Turn the switch to Rug, then press down on the red button and pull back slowly and steadily. You'll see dirty water coming up through the see-through tank. When you hit the end of each pull, release the red button and pull back about 6 more inches. Then tilt your Rug Doctor back, roll it to the next starting point, and start again. Repeat as necessary. Let's get cleaning.